everybody, my name is Antonio Rummo. I'm an export manager for Rummo Pasta. It's an old family company started in 1846 in Benevento, south of Italy. And Benevento is the part of Campania region close to Naples where the culture, the history of pasta was born. So long tradition of pasta, 6th generation. Here in Russia, in Moscow, to present our product to the Russian market, to the Russian customers, here at the Pier Show. We are very happy to be here. It's really a pleasure to expose and to present our product to the Russian consumers. And it's a very good opportunity for us because we see a great potential in the Russian market and we see a very deep interest in Italian products from the Russian consumers. This is, I think, it's a long-term view, it's a long-term project, and our product is a really high premium quality product. And so it's dedicated for all the people that want to have a better product on their table, a better product in their kitchen for the chef. So just a few words about the product and the company. Starting from the product. First point, it's made with a selection of the best wheat in the world. 14.5% is the content of protein that you can check in the packaging, and that is indicator of the quality of the wheat. Second, the product is produced with a unique method. It's called lenta lavorazione, slow lavoration method. What does it mean basically? That we achieve and we look for the excellence in every single part of the production of our product. Starting from the selection of raw material, as I said, then you go with the kneading part, where water and semolina mix together. They pass through a dies where they give the shape to the pasta that is patented. It's unique, only us we do that. And it's a mix of two elements that gives the pasta a great elasticity. Then you have the drying process, also very important to bring to the final customer the exceptional quality that we want to bring to them. The product is unique because it's certified. There are no other product that has a certificate, that have certification on the final product. So every batch of production is controlled by our lady chef, our quality department, every single batch. They control it with an instrument, and if the product is not in line with the certification, we don't pack it as Rummo. We pack it as different things, but like Rummo is only the excellence of the product. What else I can say? The product is focused for the people that want to have more, want to have a good quality, top quality. So for restaurants and for customers. The company is very historical. It started in 1846 in Benevento, and 6th generation, it's a very long know-how. So the study of this product comes a very, very long time before. I'm the 6th generation, and I'm here in Russia to develop the culture of pasta, develop the culture of the higher quality pasta. So I was saying that I'm here to present our product after 6th generation of working to the Russian market, trying to develop the culture of the Italian product, the culture of the Italian pasta. You know, pasta, it's part of the Italian culture, it's very deep. Every region has its own special shape, special recipe, special way of cooking it. But the fil rouge, the concept that is behind it, is that it's a very simple element, just water and semolina, water and wheat, that goes with very simple recipe, and you can enjoy the best product. So imagine a dish of pasta, very simple, little bit of olive oil, very good fresh tomatoes or San Marzano tomatoes, a very good glass of white or red wine, it depends by your taste, little bit of Parmesan cheese. I mean, simple things for simple life, for luxury simple life. Because basically it's what you have if you really know what you want to have and know for high quality what does it mean. So this is the culture, this is the good life of living, good way of living, this is the Italian pasta.